If you grew up in Wisconsin, you probably remember chasing fireflies at dusk on a warm summer evening. Fireflies produce light that is nearly 100% efficient, giving off very little heat as wasted energy. Similarly, nature provides other efficient, clean, and abundant sources of power that have little or no impact on our surroundings. I'm David Leskohair of Wisconsin Public Power Incorporated. Together with your locally owned utility, we're bringing environmentally friendly, renewable energy to your community. We have developed a portfolio of renewable energy resources that consist of power generated from a variety of green resources, including wind, water, and biogas. All of these resources replenish themselves naturally, leading to significant reductions in waste and emissions and improved air and water quality. The more renewable energy we use, the less we need to rely on traditional sources of electricity, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. For thousands of years, people have harnessed the power of wind, one of the cheapest and cleanest renewable energy sources available. Wind is created every day through the heating and cooling of the Earth's surface. Unlike fossil fuels, wind will never run out. The wind's energy is converted to electricity when the wind passes by large blades that turn a generator. This wind replaces fossil fuel energy that would have been required just a few short years ago. Let's have a closer look. We built our wind-powered generating units in 2002 in a farmer's field in southwest Minnesota, just outside of Worthington. The site was chosen for the steady, consistent winds that blow across the Buffalo Ridge. I'm now 250 feet above the ground inside the generator's housing. Our turbines stand 325 feet from the ground to the blade tip and weigh 42 tons. In their first year of operation, our turbines produce more than 5 million kilowatt hours of clean power. It would take 3,000 tons of coal to produce the same amount of electricity. Aided by wind sensors, the turbines automatically shift, rotate, and change direction to capture the most wind. Each turbine begins producing clean, green power for your community's homes and businesses at wind speeds of just 7 miles per hour. The two wind turbines can generate 1.8 megawatts of clean electricity, enough to power about 600 average-sized homes. Other generation resources support our renewable energy program, so you can use the power when you need it, not just when the wind blows. A low-impact hydroelectric plant near Black River Falls in western Wisconsin is turning falling water into a vital source of clean power. Located at the base of Lake Arbutus, the Hatfield Powerhouse provides up to 7.2 megawatts of energy to our mix of renewable resources. The powerhouse was constructed in 1907 out of bricks produced at a factory located just a mile downstream from the historic facility. Severe flooding led to the abandonment of the plant in the 1980s. After sitting idle for more than a decade, the hydro unit was refurbished and put back into service in 2001. Fueled by the energy contained in moving water, hydro plants are the largest source of renewable power in the United States. At Hatfield, 10-foot diameter pipes direct water from the Black River to the powerhouse over a 92-foot drop in elevation. Additional renovations will allow the facility to produce enough renewable energy to power about 3,500 homes annually. Our renewable energy portfolio also consists of biogas projects at several wastewater treatment plants in Wisconsin. These biogas projects combine methane with air to create combustion used to turn a generator. High-tech microturbine generators installed as demonstration projects at wastewater facilities in Kaukauna and Sun Prairie are among the first biogas microturbines producing energy in the Midwest. Using scaled-down jet engine technology, our microturbines convert methane gas that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere into a renewable energy source. The microturbines supply clean power by capturing and burning methane, a greenhouse gas 20 times more potent than carbon dioxide. The refrigerator-sized units can produce about 36,000 kilowatt hours of energy each month, enough to power the needs of nearly 60 homes. An engine generator set installed at the wastewater treatment plant in Menasha is also preventing the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The unit converts waste methane into an environmentally friendly source of electricity, providing enough renewable energy to power about 175 homes. As the demand for energy continues to grow, so does the search for sustainable alternatives. Using the power of wind, water, and biogas helps preserve a finite supply of fossil fuel energy sources while reducing greenhouse gas emissions and benefiting the environment. By harnessing nature's energy, we're lighting the way to a cleaner, greener tomorrow.